go.
Well, a very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to 360A New Street of Brighton, in particularly the Junction. This is a corner position, 3 street frontages, big depreciation, and a wonderful home to boot.
Yeah, good luck.
Thanks, Scotty.
Thanks, mate.
Opening bidder offer to start.
3.2. $4,200,001.
So I think I've gone a bit better here.
3.2.
3.2?
I said 4.2.
4.2.
4.2?
Yeah.
What?
$4.2 million.
Oh, gee, welcome to the bidding here.
Are you joking?
And $1.
Okay, 4,201,000.
$1.
Got it there.
Are you serious?
4,200,000 a bid and $1 a bid. Look on now at 4 and 2.
$910,000.
Joking.
What?
At 4,200,000 on bid and $1 a bid back here before we go. And selling. Well, I can't be any clearer than that, all right?
Oh.
1,000.
1,000
Another
more.
1,000.
Okay, so I'm going to put 1,000 on top with $1, mind you. Okay, 4,201,001.
I don't even know what's happening right now.
Oh, my God.
I do believe all our advocates are out at this point.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I do believe our Zoom bidders are out at this point, and it's down to Danny and our mystery blonde there in the yard.
Wow.
You can put 10,000.
Okay, 11.
200.
Sorry?
$10,256 on top of that bid.
Danny, help me out, mate. What'd you say?
10,000. So it's 4.2, 11,202. There it is. Bids in front. Selling.
Is this legit?
Oh my God.
Just shy of $1 million you just made.
Oh my God.
4 million.
15.
15 bid of 1.5. Got it there.
Oh, Amise is out there.
Yeah.
I think so.
Away from you now. 4,215,000 a bid now. 215 bid of 1.5. Got it there at 215. At 4,215,000. 215. Here it is. 4,215,000 a bid. Selling. Make no mistake.
Hang on, I'm thinking.
Okay. Think away.
4,200,000 and what, 15,000?
That's it right there.
It's cheap.
Danny reckons it's cheap.
Sorry?
It's cheap.
Yeah.
If Danny keeps going and the bidding keeps happening, this is the biggest block win we've ever had.
Oh my God.
Let's go again.
At 4,215,000 a bid now. 215. Got it there.
215,000 plus
Yeah,
11,000, $1,111, all ones.
4,200 and
Do you want a calculator?
220.
$111.
Righto. Bids against you now. What do we say? 30?
1,500.
1,500 more?
Yep.
Okay. Thanks, Michael.
27.
$4,227,611. Up to you, sir.
Oh my God, my heart is racing.
I'm out.
Okay. Appreciate your competition. $4,227,611 a bid here now. First.
4241.
Yep.
Oh, make it a different one. 691.
You know it's tough when the...
18 cents.
And how many cents?
And 18.
Yeah.
18 cents.
Yeah.
Just keep those numbers coming, Danny. You
Oh
put whatever
my
bid you
God.
What about 2,450,000? That'd be a good bid, I think. Happy?
Yeah.
4,250,000. Yeah.
No, I'm out.
4,000,000.
I'm out now.
4,250,000 a bid.
I'm out.
You sure?
Okay, so profit at the moment, if we knock it down, is $960,000.
Oh, man.
4,250,000 on bid now. First, second, selling today.
Stop. 4,255,000.
55. Welcome back.
No sense.
No sense. Thank you.
This makes no sense.
This makes...
At 4,255. At 4,255 and bid. At 4,255,000 a bid now. First, second.
56.
56.
Oh, my God. Oh.
Oh my God.
4,256 at 256 and bid and 4 in front at 4,256,000 a bid. At 4,256 you're sure and done. At 4,256,000 a bid now. First, second, third time called for the Junction here this afternoon. Done,
One more,
finished,
Danny.
all silent,
Danny,
done
one more.
before we go.
One more.
4,256,000 a bid now. Quickly. 4,256,000.
Yes.
This is unbelievable.
Oh my God.
$966,000. 900.
Ridiculous. Thanks, Scotty.
No worries, good on you. Come here, mate. Bloody hell, 966. Oh, it's just unbelievable. We've got a visitor.
Oh, darling.
Mummy and Daddy just want a lot of money.
Do you want a pony?
What do you want?
I've already got a ponytail.
Oh, ponytail. See, she's easily pleased, mate.
Easily.
Easily pleased.
Fall backwards.
Oh, darling.
I think
You've got no idea, Frankie. You have no idea what's just happened.
Righto, go down and see the gang.
We're going to go
on,
see
Bubba.
everybody.
They're going to be extremely excited to see you.
Oh,
Oh
man.
my God.
Bye. Well done.
Thanks, Scotty.
Thank you.